Hello, this is Malia.
Welcome to Sarah.
I am Melissa.
We're gonna make enchiladas today. We preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna start shredding some chicken and cutting some onions.
So we don't get it dirty.
Wash your hands. This is our chicken, already cooked.
Chicken. So, first ingredients, the chicken, the onion, enchilada sauce, green. So we need a pan.
Onions have layers.
Ooh. I love onions.
We're gonna talk story. So what culture are you from? So where are you from?
I'm Malia Johnson. Me, myself, I'm from California. From California. I say San Diego, sometimes I say LA. I'm really from Menifee, which no one really knows where that's at. Or if you know where Murrieta is, I lived in Murrieta. That's where Tori Kelly's from.
Tell me about your heritage.
I'm half Mexican. The dish that we're cooking, enchiladas, is a Mexican dish.
Which is it? What
Oh,
culture would you lean more towards growing up?
Growing up, definitely Mexican, because I was surrounded by my Mexican family. They all spoke Spanish. I missed that part. Memories of this dish. This was my favorite food growing up, and my mom would always make it on my birthday. Make it other times too, but especially on my birthday. I loved it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So when my birthday came around, I could depend on that, and I was so excited because I love enchiladas.
Yeah, so update, we're just shredding the chicken like so, putting it in the bowl. Yeah, we gotta clean this chicken because we don't waste in this house.
Not waste. 1, we're poor. 2,
Sustainability.
and 3, Michael Scott. If you watch The Office, comment down below who's your favorite character. Mine is Dwight for sure.
ASMR portions.
This is what it looks like. Oh. It's kind of like
She's just mixing the chicken and the onions together.
enchiladas are shredded chicken, onions, green sauce, and cheese wrapped in a tortilla.
You can also use red sauce.
I use hamburger meat, but
Oh yeah, you can use different meats if you prefer that.
we like chicken in this household.
All right, stove cam. 3, 2, 1.
And then we're just gonna fry the tortillas just a little bit so that it's easier to roll the meat. Okay, we're gonna
All right.
do this one. Ooh, that does not smell good at all. Dun, dun.
Just placing the tortillas in the pan, in the oil, just to fry them up a little.
A little bit.
So they don't crack when we wrap them.
Warm it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm really scared. What does this food mean to me? It just definitely reminds me of my childhood. Now I'm in college and I have no one to make me food anymore, which kind of sucks, but my mom would always make this for me. Yeah, my grandma too. My grandma's the best at making guacamole. So good.
Family connection with food.
My mom's Mexican. Both my grandparents are Mexican. But they make rice and beans with every meal. Every meal, rice and beans. And a tortilla. You can literally throw anything in the tortilla. That's what they tell me. It's not good, throw in the tortilla. Put some sour cream in it. So we have our chicken and our onions,
Our pan.
fried tortillas. Now we're just gonna roll them and put them in here.
Start.
We're making baby enchiladas.
Making baby enchiladas.
Can't fit that much meat in here. We like ours meaty. Now we're gonna open the green sauce.
So this is what we're doing now.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just drenching them. We're just drowning these enchiladas in sauce, in the spirit of Halloween. Have this because we love it saucy.
We love it saucy. Wow! Now we're just gonna cheese it. This is gonna be fire.
It's in the oven for 30 minutes, and we just pulled them out, and these are our results. goodness, this looks so bomb. Thanks to the chef, cultural influencer of this dish right here in our kitchen. Thank you for our ASMR sous chef. Yes, a lot of love and some friends. And yeah, thanks for watching.